Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, April the 15th, 2022. Yes, happy Easter to everyone. And the second puzzle, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Yes, tough one, this one. But I've already solved this one. And it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4413. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And then double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Need to compare. Yeah, 101. Do we have a 101 here? Yeah. No. Then. Double one. Yeah, this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 2, 3. Need to compare again. Huh? This column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 3 minutes. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. It will be then. Until then, bye bye for now.